No, but, I like over here.
But hotel lifestyle is gonna always be a part of our lifestyle. Waka man, waka man. Auntie, you say, see waka man here now. Nothing for you. Waka, 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 waka man. Waka. Yeah. For you see the face, I have to explain. I don't know. One Maggy Films and a two. Welcome back to the channel. All who know, welcome. And yes, we entertain people to the fullest. One Maggy Films. Here we are going now. We're there with Problem Bike episode 3. Yeah man, I just want to sit back, relax, get on the popcorn, get on the drinks. Make sure say, you watch it from start to finish. Here we are going now. We're over ATL Autobahn. So you want to in the future, you know, but so, I'm going to tell you, you know. I'm so forward and I know yourself, you know. Yeah man, you see the one there right there, so? Yeah. Me need my two talk. You are going now. Mr. Satchwell. The furniture man you see there in the movie. Yeah man, a real furniture man, you know. So you are going. I want to support him. See number yeah? Call him. If you know what not, just any little thing. See number yeah? Yeah man, you are going. Make sure. Remember, Dr. Japan Samuel's podcast. Remember, you know, man, health come first. Don't put it last. Go on over go subscribe to same speed. Just before you watch the movie, I just want you guys to be aware of a new initiative by Maggy Films. We are trying to get assistance for, you know, children who in need of help and less fortunate people in general. So this is our first trip right here at the Little London Methodist ECI, where we are going to give away some stationaries and, you know, just some small items to the school that we can afford. So watch the movie to the end and then watch this video, right? Yeah man, big up.
Maggy Films at the subscribe. 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 Subscribe.
Maggy Films. Maggy.
Yeah, problem bike, I'm a problem bike. Problem bike, I'm a problem bike. Problem bike. Me love girls, me love girls, me love girls from all over the world. Me love white girl, me love black girl, me love tall girl, me love short girl. Girls are my thing, girls are my thing. What a pity I could be a man. What a pity I could be a man. Problem bike, I'm a problem bike. Problem bike, I'm a problem bike. Problem bike, I'm a problem bike. Problem bike. Any money you have in your pocket, from a city girl, what me like, you have to take it out and give her. What me name? Problem bike, I'm a problem bike. Yeah, problem bike. Girls are my thing, girls are my thing. The girls them say me a them king. Me love Keisha, Trisha and Kim. And what them call me? Problem bike, problem bike, problem bike. Now me a the problem bike, problem bike. I'm the problem bike. Yeah, you know I'm the problem bike. Anywhere you see me, and anywhere I see some girls that I like, you know it goes. Money gonna flow. Yeah, shit, we gotta do that dance. Problem bike, I'm a problem bike. Problem bike. The girl them love me when me boss. Yes. But I got my yard for the some back. You wanna feel the back, the back. Because I baby. You wanna feel the back, Yeah, run.
I believe that, yo. But still, you know, enough money owe me, you know. Most this, because one time I gave 10,000 there last year. One time me pay for that sitting there. But it's a take care right still. It's a take care right. You can't waste them savings from one pull your butt.
Baby. Yeah.
See your boss in the evening.
I don't know, I must say thing that road, you know. So you want to, I have a 6 o'clock flight in the evening. I go up on the tour of Panama, I tell about it, yeah? Then we go left from there, so Europe. You understand? So just go and take care of the place. till I come back. Enough money I gotta work up for me here.
Alright.
Yeah man, I don't know where I go. So you have enough money already, me get already, right? So you're alright till I come back, right?
Yeah.
And give me a hug me. Yeah man, just go and hold it down till I come back, yeah?
Alright.
Later. Hey, what I gonna win? I'm at the you're not gonna carry bite now, alright?
Alright, safe journey.
Later. Alright, baby girl. So me call her, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah man. Iron bird time. Outer road. Oh God. Bus line. Oh God! Skate off on the tool! Love one I know. One them can't afford that one I do. How much money now? Yo! This one a man fool, you know. Yo! You know something I really want to spend off your money? The money I have to buy you no see no. No check on the back still. Wait, oh God!
I deal it for that.
Yeah, man, wait. How are you to sell it?
Right. That's what I want to do.
I know some of look at machine me out.
I mean, then I right machine this man.
Oh God, you out.
Let it go, man.
You know some of boss are sitting in the tune.
Push on that.
At this service we know we have to out. You wanna me say? Gawa yard.
Are you seeing that? Yo, me
You know some singing.
you me hear some me
I'm me man. Right now me alone machine to buy you know. What you say?
So they say we're small, you know.
Small brother.
I mean, when I can't talk on a good price,
I
man.
mean man. Cause you wanna know. I don't really keep money for me still, you know, cause I know we are artists and I want to rob you, know.
Right.
So, we can go down to the bank and take a car loan and me take time and pay them back. Cause remember, I'm an artist, you know. I don't really want to spend all of my money.
Yeah, cause you have
Money
to
is really if you drink NRC and all these things. I spend on the ladies, man. You know how it go.
Watch you know, me not go kill another, cause you know, say, you tell me a bike to a night time.
I can't buy cash, but me take a car loan and do it.
Anything, man, when I can't drive, go down the man.
Yeah, man, I say come down my bank.
Yeah, so I know say see it you, but I tell you.
Okay, man, say that you're big tune, man.
I mean, man.
Real. Man. Yes, my general, man. You're real life.
Yeah, man, I tell you, man.
Put on our bank, man, got these things, man. I tell you, say, tune are going all over Europe, you know, boy.
Yo, me say, real small, you. I can't believe it.
Yeah, man. The bank cover, yes, my general.
Then I feel like say line over there full of whole day business.
Man, for me think different, man, I say, I'm a bus artist think different, you know.
Oh, okay.
You understand, I have a link over there, I can get a loan, see.
So we good then, man.
We good, man, because you know, I'm a youth last school, you know. See?
I'll get it done, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, I could come
Alright, big up.
Cool,
I'm gonna tell him I'm proud of you in a youth.
God, man, the tune are going good, man. Gawa, yeah, you got this.
Pick a buckle. Sure, but I continue to put in the work, man. Here.
Man, I work, you put in, man, my father, man. I know you go. Yeah, man.
A good look. Yeah, man, so I say everything successful.
Yeah, man, see paper them, man. I'm not tell you already, man, say I'm linked, man. Back up on Wednesday, I get the money in your account.
Yeah, man, no problem. So here, me I go to them now.
Yeah.
You put me on road then, so I remember what I go on in.
Yeah.
So me I make you get the car from right.
Alright, I know.
Yeah.
Alright. So,
Yeah, my general, big up.
that's cool, man. Oh, yeah. skate
Hey,
off.
when I tell you, go put me on and music with them. Yeah, man. Yeah, Mr. Big can't believe it. So say it's a you.
Skate off on the tour.
Yeah.
Yo.
So, one thing I know about boy,
Yeah.
you can drive good.
Where are some father?
Alright then. So what you have license?
I don't like to drive.
Yeah, easy. I don't say I don't like to drive, man, but you know me no, me no really want nothing happen, man.
Yeah.
You go touch out and I police and stop.
So I feel key them up on him. I take off it.
Yeah, man. A good thing you remind
Yeah,
me.
man, that's how the thing set, man. Remember,
Yeah.
we are not thief, you know. Even though we thief, that tone.
Yeah, that's true.
Tone, you understand?
Oh, guidance and respect again, you know.
Oh, God, man.
Alright, father, do your thing, man.
Prosperity, and I don't know, you see me?
Yeah, man.
Oh, God, man. I grew up in them, man. See it here? I just want to bring it down like car wash, make them wash it off. You know?
Yeah, man, I make you look like a brand new set.
Oh, God, man. I don't know him father, man. So I don't know, you know, love and respect in him, man.
Yeah, my father.
The first car, this, you know, man.
What you mean, man? Then if my first car, man.
Oh,
Yeah, you can't give me that.
No disrespect in him, general, but that's what general, man. No disrespect in him.
I don't even want it, because I like me and to sell again. Yeah.
Oh, tell me,
Take your time.
Yeah.
Alright.
Tell me, general.
Bro, that ain't even you. You didn't even know enough. Yo! Bad boy! You!
Yeah, hold on it.
You good, sir?
Me great, man.
No, man, not the brake, man. The show you can't drive, man.
So you break for sir, brother?
Yo, want me take you out of traffic because me no want nothing go happen, you know. Okay, just buy me no want to mash up. I'm help you take you out of traffic, man.
You know, we can't deal with it, you know, but...
I can't help you out, man, because, a while ago, you look up, you know that there, you know.
Now what?
Nice right now, so, man.
You hear it?
Me help you out, man.
Just take you out of town.
Yeah, man.
I can't drive
You
him,
just buy a bad boy, me no want
nothing.
nothing.
Drive still, no, brother.
Yeah,
Take you
man.
out of crowded town for me.
Yeah, man, come in, man.
So, I really want... Tell him, brother. I'm tough when I drive in our way, man, but I do it, man.
Oh,
Yeah.
that me wonder how I go on, you know.
That's cool, man. Yeah.
Yeah, bad boy, you good as a man.
Good.
Yeah, big up.
Good anyway, man, brother. I say I'm good anyway, my father. But the one I say to me now is a man where I don't really rush things. You understand?
Yeah, man, all more you do just take your little time, man. You see me?
Oh, man, no,
No, I first drive, man, but about a speed off.
I drive car already, you know.
Believe me, man.
First car is like a one.
Yeah, man, I believe you, man.
My general. My general. Bless your love, man. Cool.
So just take your time, man, and big up again here.
I'm going
Yeah,
to take you out of town myself, man. Fast and quick to, man.
Alright, come here, touch back down there, go deal with something too.
Do it right.
Yeah, man, me take my time and go out there, man.
That's me know, my father. So, I'm not really too...
Yeah.
Yo, yourself, man. Yo.
Alright,
Really
man.
come.
Yeah, man,
Yeah,
big up.
general. Cool, man.
I'd go with there, you know, come and now come.
Yo, this car come here. Yo, what is that car? This car come here, can even good, brother. That car. Oh, you drive, sir? Oh, sir. Come here, can I speak English and even good, funny, brother. Oh, sir.
Yo, my general. Yo, you don't know to me get the car yourself, father. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, the artist legendary boss, man. When you have a song with say, God, one year, got teeth and buckle. Yeah, yeah, man, I must say the same legend there, you know. Did sell me a bike, you know. So that me I try to tell you, it's a small world, you would. Yeah, man, a day I'm there in a Burger King. You know, sell the car and I go and consume a one burger. You know, I got. Yeah, man, me have to give you a link, man. Alright, my father, no problem then here. Alright.
Yo,
Yeah, bro, God.
I'm there, man. Okay. Alright. Yeah. See now, let me get the girl, man. Let me get the girl, man. I must have a bus artist now. Alright, tell her, yeah. Tell her to stand up out on the front, then I go come pick her up. Tell her I'm the baddest artist ever, man. Oh, she know me. And she hear the tune already. Okay.
Yeah, man, right out a Biggie. On the beach road, on the front, there's a man. She know I'm purple dress, daddy. Yeah, dog.
Yeah. Alright, my general. I'll drive out now, see? Send me a number so I call her and pick her up same time.
Alright, watch out. When I reach her foot, just let me know how I go. Nice. Man, believe. Alright then, my God. Yeah.
I'll carry her up on the hotel, man. Yeah. Alright? Don't know where we're going now.
Hello?
Yeah, baby girl.
What going? Me there, you good? Yeah, me I tell us that me that tell us that me reach. No, you not reach yet.
Boy, I take off everything I find. Everything, man.
You don't hear me say not worry about that. You say we are take our money off him, we are take our money off him. You not for worry. When me done, him not have no money left back.
Believe me. Boy, no sense.
Just cool now. Alright. Bet. Alright, later. Me make you know when you reach. Cool.
On a low piece on the producer. When I say she got on purple shirt. She's some piece of shit, is that boy? Yo, wala, I'm so call about boy. I want dolly this up boy. Yo, make it my call back. Hello, nice lady.
Oh, you reach.
You know that I was coming, right?
Yes.
I mean, man.
Hi.
Hello, how you doing?
I'm okay.
I don't think I have to introduce myself.
No, I know your man.
Yes, I'm the boss artist who sing a song where say go on yard, go teach some buckle, you know?
Yeah, my ear.
Yeah, man. Big tune, not true?
Yes, my ear
So,
say.
yeah.
Me say recently boss and thing.
Yeah, man, I ask man. You know, it's not really recently boss, but
Understand?
I don't know, because we've been and do it, you know. You understand? But I don't know, we just get a big break right now.
Understand.
So, you know what I said now? We done already booking in our hotel up the road there, but I just have pre-sale, I should go Royalton now, so we are booking over Royalton.
Alright.
Right?
Alright.
I live Oliver Hotel, you know. Put on your seatbelt now. I live Oliver Hotel, man. Yeah. Yeah, man, it smells nice though. Yeah, man.
So you remember oh you did that tell me if you need anything I must ask?
Yeah, I mean tell her that you know.
Okay, well
Mm.
we don't hope you could help me with something.
What that? Shoot it now. Anything at all, man.
Anything?
At least me tell her say anything, man.
Alright, so me kinda the only people with around my mother right now. So whatever she needs she asks me. I'm not really up right now and she says she wants our house renovate and stuff. So I'm gonna need to put a help with that.
That's too easy, man. You can never ask me something harder. Easy.
Okay.
You want to go ahead? So you say you want to renovate the place?
Yeah.
Get in some new furniture and something. Yeah, man, a simple thing, that, man. I have 500,000 over your son. 300,000 in the US, yes, sir. So I start off here with 300,000. The count out this already. See?
You sure?
Yeah. What kind of question you ask me?
Well, thank you.
Come on, too. Even if you don't need to thank me. You don't need to thank me. You just know say, I am man to take care of you. I'm going to do the right thing. Just chill back and up on beach, man. Hotel style, Royalton style.
So, how long will you stay here for?
As long as you want, no mind. From the bus with the big song, you know what tear down Europe, England, America. Money can't do. So it's like I live. And if I want to move away from this hotel here, Royalton, and go to like Rio or Pegasus, we can do that.
No, but like over here.
But hotel lifestyle is gonna always be a part of our lifestyle.
Okay.
We're a star, you know, so you know where you go. Yeah, man. So
I'm not gonna like go back home, like home.
no. Only unless we have something to deal with. You know? Hold on. Somebody will call you. Sorry about that, yeah? No man, my cousin call me, man. Every time my cousin does a call my phone, so yo. I know why.
So why you not answer so you can know why?
No, it's a little thing she has to deal with for her and don't worry about that, man. I soon deal with that, man.
I'm not worried, but you been a call you like.
Yeah, so you see she called me before?
Yes. And you either
When we
phone.
did asleep?
No.
When?
When you did the either phone.
You didn't hide my phone.
But me see the call. Say that I did it.
No man. Come on for that now. Look on the boat out there, sir. You see the catamaran there? We'll go up on the cruiser later. Right? But I'm going to drop you up for your mother first.
Not
So-
up on my mother, up on my friend.
For your friend.
Right.
So I'm not get to know where you live and all them things.
Yeah, but like me I say for now the place one, you know, it's not as convenient. So me know
Yeah.
you come and be
We
uncomfortable.
accept a place anyway, man.
Well I don't want well, I mean we're not really in a rush, so
Long time, I see so much white people, you know. So, may have somebody who can do the renovation for you, know, or you have your
no,
person.
remember so the man them start planning already, you know. Them
Oh, then they start work already.
yeah, but 2 more money run out of cash and so she did kind of put it on par.
Tell her mother say anytime she need cash, just shout me.
Okay.
Give her my number.
Well,
Yeah.
you sure about this?
You always ask me if I'm sure about
I
it.
don't know because this is a lot of money, but you know, not complain.
Yo, look here, you know, you're the tune in my bus offer.
Yeah.
Big old tune. Guy want yard for the some buckle. One for the. You don't know the tune?
Yeah, but you're
Right now, you know, you night disco play last night. Oh, let's clear that. Money can't done royalty and them thing there. That's why you see to a royalty me I live off of. That's
The
why I stay a royalton.
I understand.
Alright.
Well, I could take a while.
Take a walk and then we can go up. Me left you up with your mother.
Okay.
Yeah. Take your time. Put up your money cause I don't want nobody To see how much the money in your pocket. Yeah.
Alright, that's something.
Alright, that's it.
Yeah, the black gate thing there, so.
So I can drop it up a your yard.
No, because me and my friend Lee already make plans, so me Lee plan to stop race already.
Okay. I can't have a woman I don't know which part she live in.
Well, when you pick me up later.
Alright.
Alright, yours.
Yes, nice though. Your friend place nice though.
Mine nice, so.
Alright.
But as me I tell you, inside one furnished, but the house, you know, outside nice and thing.
At least that man.
Alright, so later?
Later, yeah man.
Right.
Just call me and come pick you up, right?
Alright. Thanks.
Yeah man. Later.
Yeah, we love mixed up, not you. Me say me to a man. I'm not talking about no boy, I'm talking about man. So, you see my artist and thing, and you know, we are conversate, I come around, him drop me, and him drop me around here. The man give me $300,000.
Too damn like
Dead ass. Your mother? Yes, Jamaican. You 300,000 US man give me? Yes, 300,000 Jamaican. Why ain't give me that kind of thing? So, mummy also want furnish up, but you know, nothing go so.
damn like. You know, so.
See, you know, we have money to spend. I'm not talk about play money. I serious something. Money fits. Girl.
Yo, me I tell you about you. And you're so lie. Your mother place no furniture already?
Oh, I lie?
Your mother
When you ain't see, no leave, him don't know. So me go and juice man so me can take. You know, we're not going to spend any money if you know, because we are, you know, stay up on the low. But however, I might have to go buy some stuff just to make it believable. And I'm not going to buy
I
some.
can buy some. I know I can't buy one just
Girl,
like this.
let me show you and him handsome to you see. So can we not talk about look ugly boy, you know? Right? In this same one video. Our.
No. You're alright. You're looking cute.
I don't like that. You know him?
From when me a got hurt for knowing nobody?
So why you act weird when I show him? He not cute to you?
Yeah, him alright. Me a say alright. Where you overthink the situation for?
Cause that just weird to me.
Girl,
Either way, it don't matter. Just the money we in this. You want somebody cash or not?
Girl, just put it down. Me come for whenever I'm ready.
I never like that.
So later.
Oh, see, I get rid of me. I just come.
Do that. I'm just say me.
It's cool. Me call him back to come pick me up. Pull on pan this. Pull on pan that. Even though you don't like the man, we have spend the money.
Just
look on you. Later.
Pick up your phone, girl.
Wonder me can watch now the latest movie. Hold on, you know how long this a girl gonna call me? Yes, Xavier.
Pinky girl. Wait, me a talk. Your man not gonna pan nut like how you tell me.
What? Girl, stop from prank me. My man got a foreign girl we I talk about. Hotel with girl. You're sick, man. You come like you never hear about me.
What you mean, oh me with that?
Or you go on like you don't know about me.
The same girl me I tell you about. Yes, me sure see her in because she just show me one video.
Send a video then.
Wait, me gonna show you something. Me gonna show you. Cause if you me no cap, me no cap. Me send it, me I go send you one video and you go tell me if I know your man is. Look on the video.
Javia, I make a love give me jokes, a girl. You can't run serious joke with me. A long time video that. You go on like me don't know how my man stay already. A long time video that. My man nah do me that. Girl, this a really call me phone to tell me say. Girl, go and go read the Bible here. Oh.
Yes, it's a me no cap girl, your man just come drop her my friend. And she give me she show me some one bag of money where the man give her. The same girl who I tell about? Girl, you're an idiot. Come on from the phone. I like idiots. You don't know she fool, so she just say the man and she just fool with you.
Alright.
Yeah.
Are your friend that
For the veranda?
On the
Yeah.
veranda, that's all?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Oh, she has sponsor.
I don't know, I saw when me tell her, she like give me one look a weird vibe.
Okay.
I don't know. She stay somewhere. So like tomorrow I'm gonna go check on it.
Okay.
Cause the guy he called me and tell me saying he want something. So
Oh.
I'm gonna just go up there tomorrow. But who could I just go back over hotel and go and chill for today?
Yeah, man, I have some man. What's a royal town, so we live in over there. Hotel we live in.
So tomorrow if you have time you could have come for my mother.
Ah, we have time for you, no, baby.
Okay. Well, I don't want to get in the morning. It's about 10 so.
10 o'clock tomorrow.
Yeah, come on and check for what the work man gonna do.
Alright. Want to go for a disco when you're done.
She called me, you know.
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
Oh. Supposed to be over there around some of the white people, you know.
Are you always at hotel? You know, some say always at hotel.
Since my boss.
Oh.
Yeah, but before that I just be a furniture shop and them things, you know.
Okay, I understand.
Yeah, man.
So how life being, you know, artist, rich man, so
Like as an artist, you know, 'cause I don't know. You're privy to certain things where you never have it, you know.
right?
Yeah, man. So right now I'm just living the life.
I can see.
You're a beautiful young lady. Yeah. I'm going to go for your mother tomorrow, man.
So who I've called the phone so much time. Me really want, you know, create no problem, but me see it.
Don't worry about that, man. I just want to business. Somebody that asks for one of my cousin.
So why you not just tell them say you can't do it and then have them a call you?
You saw the phone ring in their room last night?
Yes.
Why your name funny what you say?
Pinky.
Pinky, I'm my cousin.
But why you alright, it's okay.
Just how yourself. Tomorrow morning, yeah, go for your mother, go check for the renovation. I don't know. More your place nice, you know. Yeah, man. And anything you want, you just let me know, yeah?
Well, like how you said that, maybe you want some change to make up and start out with me and start out.
I want to go to the room. Just have
Alright.
money, yeah?
Okay.
Matter of fact, I could go to the room and then I go in the disco room.
Come.
Enjoy yourself, huh? And I saw you going to gangster style over the hotel, one play. Gangster style over the hotel. I can't carry out a bad man. Eh? Yeah, man, general, me tell you some boy. Studio, me I touch studio locomotive, you know. Yeah, man, we are live the life, man. Artist life, you know, man. Yeah, and me have a next song where, yeah, me have a next song for drop to you, know, so you don't know where go. Normal ball game, man. Yes, man, I see, man. Yeah. Yeah, my general, watch now. Okay, yeah, man. For the money, you know. Dub plate. Just tell them, say, yo. Me check him, man. Because I leave one of the money off on a dub plate right now, brother. Believe me. I'm too rich now, brother. Them boy, if you know, say, yo, I'm not run down them in a youth. Alright. Look come on.
Ready.
That's a baby. Eh?
Ready.
You ready now? We have to check on the place and make sure say man them not rob you and thing.
Yeah.
Cause you see
Stop over my friend's house.
yeah. Cause man them do construction, enough of them are thief, you know.
Well,
Yeah. You ready now?
Yeah.
Why rub another one at chang? Ah! Come on now. Right. Yeah, laugh, sir.
Yeah, but alright.
Just a laugh, sir. Let's see, I'll check on the place now.
Yeah, hopefully I reach up them and them reach because when I ring them, I'm never get them.
Okay.
But I think we might stop at my friend though. And through the man, them might take long to start out to think. Because them will tell me start there, tell me go start there. You're not done. So then keep on and ask for more days.
Yeah, some thieving boy, you have to keep
And that
like
one you did say to me, say me every day must scam me.
yeah, so I tell your friend and say,
Yeah,
stop
right,
first.
say me and stop because remember me that tell us them do you and pick up his stuff then for
Yeah. Full time for me know you live still, but just go and do what you do still.
You know, it would right for me carry on my house and you know comfortable because you know furniture they end up on the veranda. It place just want to start over.
I understand, man.
So you just have to give me a little time.
Yeah, man, take your time and do what you do, man. You know?
Thanks. I remember some more you come pick me up.
Yeah, man, you know, I got you like that. Hold on, my phone a ring, sir.
Everything good?
Yeah, man, know yourself about that, man. This
You
a
sure?
yeah, person. Alright, man.
Alright. Take care.
Later, yeah?
Yeah.
Yes.
You get bossy from what day, eh?
Oh, bossy.
I mean to just come and count money in my face now because
Because when I'm the other time can't count it and know I'm busy.
every day you just come and count money in front of me saying,
So, you want to help my count?
do it not because.
You all mix me up.
So every time you go link the boy there you always come on my yard first. How
Me can't come here.
No, something up. Something have to up, what up?
I already tell you so me have to tell lie. Me have to keep up a lie now.
So what you telling me this time?
Me at the same thing, me tell him say the place I start out so me can't really up there. You know, no water now run and them look at thing there.
So
like the house not convenient right now. Cause it's a refurbished, you don't understand.
see, you don't feel like him a go want no short to live and him a go want to see the place.
Him a go know because by the time me done start out, the house, he can come at the house. You understand? Because the man thinks say money means and fix it up.
Yeah, one thing I have to try to tell you, don't make what in that come to light.
Why do you feel like you're against me? Me not like your energy because me a scam and you get money out of it, you're not hungry. Not that's the hungry.
No, but you need to stop.
Me not understand the behavior because when I first me I do this. Why all of a sudden you're against me?
Me not against you. Which part in that sentence you hear me say me against what you do? Me just say be careful.
Why?
So I call the code for you again.
Remember so when me scam Ricky, I the dangerous man that carry Ricky a bad man. Him a calm little artist. You tell me about me supposed to be scared. Why am I for be scared? Okay. Something up with the behavior women I like.
Me don't know what to say to you right now because me can't look out for you again and you don't feel like see me check me a bad man or something.
So why you never look out for me that scam the bad man them?
Because me a bad girl.
I tell you say the you nice and him calm and him not give me no bad energy. So why you?
Oh, just scam enough for me and you then since I say insist.
Okay, scam enough for me and you.
Right. Give me some more money, maybe help you count.
You don't say to me. Me there so I say me go split this in half and make you go and keep that for me. Me go give mommy this because you know at the end of the day we still have to.
See, you not furnish your place too. You just have to lie so.
My house not furnished.
No, but you want more furniture.
And me tell you say by me done get what me can get from him, I buy more stuff so by them time the income.
Yes, a millionaire now. No, because amount of money when me see you scam from this amount.
I mean now yes none because see the house there at right? Story gone now.
Right.
You know, might
so
put something up and down one day.
You're not shut or nothing. You're not supposed to wait till you get your next money.
Sure.
So you just no want to spend nothing. But we secure this.
Yes.
We secure this.
And later. And now, I come back then you give me no more bad energy because me and
stop telling the man but you have to check me because you can't simple video call. I see you. You just go like that so we love each other. Later girl. Alright girl.
Well, every time this a girl I call on my phone so. Javia. What go on now?
Pinky. Girl. Your man just come to her off again, you know, and she come with more money.
Again? So what you trying to tell me, say? You see him up here with the girl? Again? No, sir. Javia.
Me tell yourself to take that something out your head, boy, and go on tour. You need to do some investigation, girl, because your man not gonna know to he must spend your farts. Girl, anyways, because you know me can't want a conversation with you because you don't know if he cooperate. Me say the boy just come drop up at the girl and she come with money again.
How far are them already? Oh, you drive on the back road instead? Oh, I'm outside. Alright.
No, sir. No, sir. I know you convinced me. Javia, I don't believe you that tell you such a lie. God know. What you say? I spend beer money for the girl. I'll fix up house for her.
Me not take no picture of nobody, you're too enough. Anyways, later.
Girl, later. Too much drama for one day and I go make it. Later.
No, say the girl a fool, you see? Money, 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 cash, cash. Boy. That's a rain, so I love the girl in your farts.
Hey,
Wow, man.
don't make a drive on the back road.
So you're going on, we'll take time to search out the place, you know? So you couldn't give me the direction to come find you around your yard.
You don't need no direction, cause anytime when you go, me I go. Nobody feel like me a pill, you know. Me just don't feel comfortable for carrying you into the place, no convenient.
You don't say nothing about pill. I know you're not pill, me.
Alright.
You could never pill a youth like me.
Right. So me I got the tax office, cause me I start with some
So
people.
I progress to the place around here. You check on it?
But like me, I say when I get to do it all now, me I go back in a serve and get some stuff for them come and say they need.
So, but you know, should I check on it? Make me carry go and go check on it now.
Look on the time after 4, by reach, it's all too late for grow on and then go serve. So maybe tomorrow. What do you think about tomorrow?
But you know them man that thief, you know, the construction man.
Actually, I need one man to look over it too because
so,
somebody
check on it, man. But
tomorrow.
Tomorrow we go, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So, your friend?
She the inside outside already.
Yeah, the man again. Hi.
Oh, why she always do that when she say, you know? You don't think that weird?
Well, I don't know.
You don't know? You know?
No, what's that?
You sure?
She look funny always still. Yeah, my general. Today I live the life, boy. Yeah, man. Today I live the life, brother. No, nobody tell nobody, you know. I'm not going for a tour. I'm down at hotel as a royal town with there. Don't tell nobody, you know. Yeah, man. I'm the cat today, man. I'm so call about them. If I get a next call. See? Remember, I'm a businessman in a month, so I always get enough call. Me call back. Hello? Yeah, big boss, what go on? Yeah, I know say loan officer, man. What go on? I so come make a payment, man. And then remember say me an artist in a boss. I know say I work on it, but I come pay upon it, bossy, man. Then bank up now. I come deal with it, man. I know say I work, but too busy on the hotel side. I drink some NSC boss and I relax myself and I meds out some other song, you see me? But I come pay upon the vehicle, man. Remember say I show you, I take it through the bank, you know, so I can't violate you, you know. Right? I come do it, man. I got the ATM. Yeah, I got the ATM. Listen to me now. I got the ATM to get some money and come make a payment to the bank. Right, upon it. See? Yeah. Alright, there. Now I'm going on the ATM now and come back.
Yeah.
I make a transaction I deal with.
Alright.
Make a payment for something and come back.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't really own nobody, because cash me buy everything, but I don't know. I have a little small thing to deal with, so I soon come back. Remember, all inclusive, so anything, need anything. Call me upon up, I soon come back, yeah?
Alright.
Yeah. Come now, my boss, eh? Until now, man, I can't get the money off of this assassin, brother. Not enough funds. What that's supposed to mean? I'm money for the money. Joking to this, man. Auntie, hello. I don't understand this, sir. Auntie never answer me, yo. Yo, General, come here. What does that mean? What does that mean? Not enough funds. What that mean?
There is enough funds, you know, the machines.
Rich man, look at me, brother.
Yeah, we'll put in less, you know.
Yo, no, dog. Not enough funds. Call the producer boy, no, cause yo, this is alright. So money for going on my account. So can't right. Yo, producer, what go on? Yeah, man, I'm there now, like trouble here now. No money there in your account. You tell me say money now got done, brother. You tell me say be money me make off a tune, brother, cause I tune boss. So you know send over the rest of money them. Sang ban. So I know you say sang ban, brother. Or if you ban the song America, Europe and the whole place, I don't understand. So I say thief buckle. No man, I say that man. But in a movie and them thing there. No man, I say that man. So then I ban some movie where man I do some things in a thief. Buckle and thief, enough things in a movie and they want ban my tone. Yo, producer, me come link here now. Cause right now I have all the cat down in the hotel. What go on, brother? The cat down in the hotel wait for me. I can't go back down in the hotel block, you know. Yeah, no, star. Yo, producer, where you say go on now, brother? Cause I don't see nothing at all in your account, brother.
What go on?
So you laugh, sir? Man, I laugh, brother. No, sir, it's a laughing thing there.
No, sir, I don't have anything.
I said no money on the card, not even dollar on the card, brother.
I like to tell me, man. I like to tell me. How come?
You don't believe me? You pay for you receipt, brother. It's a joke, man. Come and do the receipt. See it here. See it here.
What go on with the receipt?
Hold on, take a joke. See it there. Read that. Not enough funds
Oh?
for transaction. Not every transaction. Not to the corner for Brother, man, I laugh like a piece of joke.
No, I don't really joke, but
no. Brother, what's on? So where's the go on? The tune ban.
yeah, you know, they say tune ban. So you know, say money at the top coming in one way.
That means some money. Send some money to me. You see, you buy big house out of tune. Come on this, sir. I probably sell it now. I'm not buying away to the father. Keep money can't done, say, no. Remember say a laughing thing in the pan producer youth.
No.
Producer style me
no, man, me not style thing, man. Me not style
producer
thing.
the girl you give me down in the hotel said way. What me go tell her say?
Yeah, we just make sure you know say account went down, dog.
After the bad old tune the account went down for the bad old tune.
Yeah, but the tune ban. Me keep me not.
So why you ban it? So me say thief look back better. Eh?
Yeah, you have to know what you're saying at the song.
So me ask down at the ATM now. In a Arnold Schwarzenegger to sue them. Why they not ban them when them a show it up people? Why they have to ban this a song and now when me a say teeth look a buckle and way. And I like the buckle thing, like teeth buckle thing is a real story, and not true. Man, I be a laugh. Yo, you me say, yo. Yo, so give me a thing now.
No. You know so active right now. You know so active.
Not you want. And 5 grand.
No.
Some gas now. Yo. School man.
Right now.
Cause right now bank call me. Me fi pay some money for the car. Nothing. Producer, it's alright. See it there.
Yeah, just link car, man.
Can't take it, man. Everything good. Link car. Hold on, producer. I say no.
If she knows the account went down.
Hold on, producer. Yo, me not too much style on you know. No, me must sing back the next tune, you know. Me not sing back that tune there. Come here for next tune I got voice.
Jaja.
Me have a next tune I got voice. You see this a tune I got voice. When it bust, you know, make the money out type of building it up no more house so tight, buying no more house so tight. I that me I tell you, new tune.
I said it time, man.
Can't believe say money done youth. Money really done. Me left the woman up at the hotel. What me a do now? Can't go back up at the hotel. Yo, walk out, call me, man. Hello? Yes, yeah, man, I'm the artist, this man. Here's our bailiff. So I'm going to tell from the bed in the bank, so I'm deal with the payment for the man. Or if you set bailiff for the thing. Car. I don't have a car. I don't have a car, man. I deal with the payment boss, man. Just I go on someone. You don't know someone an artist, man. Yo. Mr. What your name? Mr. Peters, see me I say now? Yeah, I know say you're a serious man, you're a bailiff. But listen to me now. I just bust out there. No, listen to me now. I just bust out there. I get the loan on the car, the car, but even though I don't have a car right now, where there? Boss, I just don't have a car, I don't know a car. I did left it. I did that hotel and left it out of the gate, you know. And by the time I go back out of the gate, I don't see a car, boss. I don't know lie. I don't know lie, man. I say I don't see, you see it. I park here at the hotel gate, boss, so I did there. And by the time I go back out, I don't see it. Yeah. But I still make a payment. Just give me a little time, man. See? Nobody take care of my car, man. Sure, I'm an artist, man. I'm a tune on the radio and sit, man. I must down the whole of Europe and sit, man. Alright, boss. Yeah, man. Cool. Respect. Manners, yeah? Either. Man, take back your artist car, you. I can't make them take my car, you. One car I buy, man, I want to take back it. Offer me boy down a bank. Offer me betting down a bank for make. Yo, all my loans officer for really make. Bailiff. Want to take my car, yo? Then can't find this and hide, man, hide this, or worse, hide this, you know. Tell her that to them. Hide this. Can't go one part, go lock you off, man. So, piece of one take this off from me, here. I can get some bread, some money for borrow for my furniture bread. Long time I call him still now. Yeah, what go on, man?
What with you now?
But there, man, a long time you for you not call me, man.
Me?
Yeah, you not call me out.
So when I call you back then you say you're busy and all them stuff there, yeah?
No.
You don't remember?
Yeah, I say I'm busy sometime, but I'm really so busy. But you not call me, I say I call me cuss about now, call me, I say you not call me. Not because I you done the furniture right now. Yeah, me I say now. When I levels right now, you see, I forget some money, you know, right? Forget some money from Europe side now next month, you see me? So I just look, before that money come, more buy like 100,000 for you, you know what I mean? Until the money come. Eh?
Tell me something now.
Yeah.
Did you just use the B word and end with a W? Huh?
Yeah, no, borrow.
No. I think you understand what you say. You know what I mean? I mean, alright. You know what? Come to the shop. I don't have shop.
You don't have shop? So we can... Alright. So we know say I really go to them. I follow the shop and outfit, see?
Yeah.
Alright, brother. Yeah. Good friend better than pocket money. That me I tell them. Yes, father. So good and I real legend. A long time, yo, all the road man used to walk. Man used to walk around the road there now, man. I drive them road there. And travel from dirty bike, I used to give me problem. Yo! What? So like man out there. Yo! Yo, Bert! Say Bert! Yo! Yo, look at you out and I see my bedroom. I build the furniture and stuff. Eh? You not see him? My general. So the man say, yo. Yo! Man live there, father. General! Jesus and peace, man live there, out. Yo! Acha, man tell me say in the shop and the man there. Boss, I build some good design bed header now. What? Man, I go and good up a shop and buy a new machine. Lego, I feel Lego all this machine and like in there. Yeah, Anjo. Oh, go on, man. Yeah, man, my boss, man. I know say all I know about it, man, but you see it. Yeah, but I don't know to my boss. I sell out my machine that I did have up our shop, you know. Yeah, man, I sell a nice machine there, man. You can cut up your board them fine and sitting, man, you know. You see a machine down the shop here, man? Yeah, the one there. No, not for me, virgin. I did film it, I did film it, man. Yeah, I did mine, man. I have money in it, man, and sitting, man. You see it? Check, yeah, shout me back. Let me know where I go on. Yeah. Ah. Okay, never food off of some machine, because one pay the car alone, you know. John, no. Man, go back down the hotel, too. Can't go back down the hotel, bro. Ah, my brother, cool, man. Real. But I tell nobody say to me as I still, is it? Ah, brother, cool, man. One go down. Man, come like the man inform, my brother. Yeah, what? Yeah, inform. But enough someone you turn up and look for a man, say you. Phone now, pick up. Yo! What you say down a shop, man?
Yeah, man, so that's how you go.
So,
So you see me?
so what go? Me not see you.
Yeah, man, that's how you go, man. Same so. You remember when me a shout to me, I say roof straps, and I say, yo, go on. Okay, so now you're too busy. You know what I mean? You have to feel it.
So what on? You really style me? You really style me say up a shop and you let me 100,000 in a upper, brother?
Alright, you see, when you think about people like you have to me and tell you what you do the same thing. You see,
Ah, that can do. I really not can do, brother. I really style me.
nah, man, guess what now?
You say up a shop and you let me 100,000 now, brother. So I let me up a shop and I wait for you. You're not there, brother.
That's what them say.
Yo, you me say that we sell my credit. Everything good. Me make money, man. No you sell, man. Yo, remember say you do this, you know, brother. Remember you do this, you know. Me make money, man. No you sell. You alright, man. You alright, man. Alright, man. You alright, man. Let go, man, and let go this. Let go, man, and let go this machine, yeah. Watch out, so I go on. Call one next somebody, call it. If one junior want thing, I sell it, you know. Next man, I sell it. Yo, make a next call here, man, because right now, it's a machine I have to sell. Some boy must feel like say, I'm in a joking thing. If one junior want thing, you know, defense man they want it. Yeah, David, go on now. Go on, man. But there, man, yes, man, I'm a man, and the boss artist. Yeah. You go on, I know, say, hold on, man. If I can't get money, I release that, man, one at a time, man. But I say right now, if we get in some money from Europe side, from Europe side, yeah. So you want to?
Yes, I go on now. Talk to me, man.
Hold on and talk about much thing now. I say, if we get some money from Europe side, off I sang, man. Yeah.
Come on, yeah, you got some.
Yeah. So you want to? Me I sell one machine here. You see me? Remember all our furniture man, you know. Me and no furniture man again, but I don't know. Me I sell one machine we cut up the board them fine, you see me? Yeah. Ah, then see a machine man. So you say, you know, so 500,000 we spend for you, but if you have If you can give me 3 or if I have 100 and I have, me take it man and go and work with it man. I have some father man. I must have father that come from the man. Oh, yo, I must have not really want no money now, because I'm rich, you know. But that little money you know what you da give me, I also drink little NSC and, you know what I mean? Yeah. So when I can, if I come with a van right now, you get it. Yeah. 7 o'clock, right. Alright. You have to do the right thing, cause you wanna, yeah. Yeah man. Just show me what man. Alright. Sell this, I sell this it. Some more, it's a piece of, not play. We don't want a piece of money in it. Yeah baby, I so come back up on your hotel man. Just go and ease yourself man. I know it's 1 day left in a hotel man, but I come man. Yeah man, know yourself man. I just saw me some sitting for them man and I studio and them thing with them man. Baby, just stand at hotel, I so come man. Yeah man. Baby, just believe in me now. I so come at the hotel man. I know sir. No, you're not going to overstay because I'm going to pay some more money. But wait for me now. So come back up there man, baby man. I told me some like things I deal with man. As I said, I buy some dub plate and come in, you tune hot you know. Just go and lay down on the beach all inclusive up there man. Cha. So come man. Yeah. Yo, I'm tired of running up and down and hide all this car, you know. How's that call me again? Hello? Hey, Bailey boy, don't call my phone in a youth. Yo, me this a youth. Yo, come on from my phone. Yo, come on from my phone, man. Yeah, boy, Bailey, if you ever call back my phone again and say youth. Yo, don't call back my phone in a Bailey, boy. Boy, you have to take a car. Take a kind of car, you hear that? Take a kind of car, I don't carry down some more down. Some boy must have piece of more find this. He said, yo. Rain all come down now, youth. Rain all come down, youth. What you wanna call what, man? Yo, bailiff boy, I'm in this already.
Sir, what about the car, you know? You know, do it, sir. We are fine, you come for the car, you know.
Why you want to come for the car? Yo, I want to tell bailiff boy, I'm say go, man.
Alright, Mr. Badman, watch your style. You call me and pull up on you. Alright, that's something there.
Yo, Chuck, what's your promise? Yo, go on easy, man. Yo, some more feel like.
Hey, don't hold 9 up. Come out of this woman, he can shot me in your face. Oh, yeah, Badman, rain and shine me up. Come out of this.
Oh, yeah.
Come out of this.
Oh, yeah. Who your boss?
I know you had this up on the phone a while ago.
I hear it.
Then tell us to go find the father. Go out of this.
Yo, say it.
I read me wake up in here. Come out of this.
Now real, brother.
Come out of this.
I saw you daily the artist.
Come out of this.
I got that, brother. Yeah, most of brother. Yo, no, hold on. You can't chat business, no, brother. No money, no, brother.
What you have to say now, man?
I tell you, my phone, my telebank, my phone, it's up, man.
I really now went up and go up and my job all my life hard, you know.
I really mean it, though. So you go on, brother. Yo, just go on, man.
I'll follow the money tomorrow. Early, man, at my office.
Yeah.
Talk about something for now. See.
Just go on, man. Yo, you really are the artist, brother. I think it's all when them,
Yes, man. Watch it.
Yes, auntie.
Are you not in son?
No, not in son this. And I'm going boy, man. Going son. No, not the wife. Jason, I'm boss for the year, no. I'm me, man. I'm the boss artist, the boss for the year. Anyway, look at me. Yes, auntie. Jesus and peace. Oh, look out. You don't want the ring off the buy. Chain a sell, you know. Chain a ring a sell, you know. Chain a ring a sell, you know. Chain, get it, you know. Sell me a sell, you know, boss. Chain a ring a sell, you know. Chain a ring a sell, chain a ring a sell. Tell your mother say chain a sell out a square, yeah. Chain a ring a sell, you know. Get it to the people. See it, yeah. Chain a ring a sell, you know, my general. Yes, sir. I want it. 50 grand, get it, you know. 50 grand, get it, man. 50 grand, get the chain. I remember I'm singing a song name. I've got this, I'm back up, you know that tune.
Yeah,
I remember I'm singing, man.
Yeah.
So yes, I want it.
Nah, it's good.
Alright, my brother. No, sir. I'm busy now, brother. Yeah, man. Uncle, say that chain a ring, you know. Chain a ring, you know. Chain a auntie. Chain a ring, me have, you know. Don't know, star. Body broke. I stand up my general, man. You don't have no money, man. You're broke. Chain a ring, you know. Don't know, I can't take on a lane up, person. Chain a ring, you know. Chain a ring, you know. Chain a ring, you know. General, see it, I artist in our bus at the end, you know. What do you know? What do you know, youth? Chain a ring, you know. And, what do you mean, go on, man? I sell me and let it go. No shame no night. Can't put it on a sitting here. Yeah. Alright, I can get that sitting here. Hang up my sitting in the pan. Yeah. Chain a ring, I said. Chain a ring. You broke, man. Auntie, chain a ring. Chain a ring, chain a ring. Chain a ring, chain a Uncle Joe, watch out. Yo! Chain a ring. Man, there pass the bus artist, so it's alright, man. Now sing the next tune, you know. Then I go band this the next tune and I sing, you know. You can't go on, man. Yo, chain a ring, see it on the general, 50 grand feet. You broke, man. Chain a ring, my general, 50 grand for my general. chain a ring. See it a ring there, my people. General, chain a ring. Come in, man.
What man, you fun?
There, my general. 50 grand for you. Feel that thing, my general.
50 grand.
50 grand and go on with it, my general, man. Oh, yes, man. 50 grand now. Don't know. What? What you post it for the neck? I say you post it.
Yeah, man, look good, but hold on. Your face look familiar, man.
Yeah, man, I bust out to say I talk to you. You to sing a tune. I mean, I just know what I mean. You to sing a tune, say. Go on, yeah, got to some bucket. You want to feed the bucket. You don't know the tune, man. Europe, England, everywhere play, man. You know, general, but you don't know.
I just talk about buckle.
Yeah.
Me know you're from, man.
Yeah.
Couple years ago, you come on me yard, come thief me buckle.
Yo, tap it down. Pocket tape like that. You see me tape bicycle. Go away, man. Mr. Joe. Buckle. Now for them. But over this I'm on the yard still. Then we can't take them.
Oi! Put them down, man! Think me not see your face. Run, man, run! We must swallow you, man.
Yo, man, I say you look different, man. Like you shave up.
Nah, man, I feel me chain now, it's me. Yeah, man,
that, man. Yo, what's on the man? Chain work more than the buckle them in general.
Yeah, man, I feel me chain now, you know.
Go on, Sir General. You look different, though. You look different. Actually, you look different, man.
Yeah, man, me hair get longer and thing, but as I say, I feel me chain now, man. Me chain car, the teeth me buckle them and I never fear them, you see me?
I don't know them days, nothing in a go on and, you see me? So they say, remember say chain work more than the buckle them, you know.
Yeah, but our principle, you know, it's not even about the value in our principle, man. You can't teach me things, man, feel like I saw it over. You know, you feel like you don't catch up on you one day.
Brother, me a buckle, man. Me a ball, I see buckle can give, man. Me can't carry back the buckle and come give, man. How you say, man?
Alright. Alright, yeah, man. Maybe accept that, man. Maybe accept back the buckle, but you are one. Me hold on for the chain until you back the buckle, you know, see? Yeah, man.
I say I deal with the
artist. Yeah, man, deal with the thing. Just come back the buckle when you get the chain, see? Alright.
Say I deal with the artist.
station in Area 2. Who will attain the title of top division in Area 2?
Go on and see great style.
Satchel!
Yeah, man.
What
Bro,
on, man?
it's a long time I don't see you, man.
Real.
No, sir. Where you there?
Why? You know, say all over the place. Cause for me boss, you know.
So what?
Yeah.
So you not do the music and
Yeah, I still do music, man, but you don't know. You don't know music already, you know. Music go up, down, up. What go on, man? Right, man. You know, so the reason I say I come race with you.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I go reason, you see me? Cause
okay.
nothing not too go on now still. They don't know we have a little piece of food still, but kind of run out one way, you know.
Okay.
So I say, boy, two me have a trade there like one way, I just come back in America. Cause I know say I go link Seabird.
Yeah?
Yeah, Seabird style me, Mr. Satchel. Seabird, me say me a borrow money from the man and the man tell me to come up a shop.
Yeah.
And when me reach up a shop, him now up there. You understand?
So how you work it out?
Boy, man leave me away, brethren. So me I say him no want me back up a shop and you know me a good furniture man, that's all.
Can you work good?
Yeah, me work good. Me have one machine them myself for up a shop there too, so me know if you don't want it still.
So what kind?
When you see him when I cut up the board fine, man.
Oh, okay. Like a chop saw. When I chop saw.
Would I give you that as a you for 100,000, man. But differently.
Yeah.
Would I want a little space for work. You understand? So you say I couldn't go for me things the man can work.
No. It couldn't work so no. You have to give me some time to sort that out. You understand? So when me sort out, you keep check me sort out and
you know we are going to do it to the one, so you don't know, so just find the space, man, because you don't know, you know.
And you could go and do some things in the meantime.
Yeah.
Because right now we want some youth in a woodwork shop and we can't find them.
Yeah, but you don't know a trade where me do, and if you pick up no board around the place.
No man, we don't talk about pick up board, bro.
Yeah.
We shoot to come pick up board. We talk about learn, trade and do
no, but Mr. Satchel,
and you can do it, so like all them job there you know right now,
right.
You see much of them may have.
Fast man.
Yeah.
Like whatnot, yeah.
Because there's a man coming in and do them there. And he's slow.
I run if you run that man now make me come in a place, man.
You know, and true we can't give you them now learn no trade youth.
Yeah.
We don't know. So we get even the frame of man, we got to grab him.
Yeah man, a real thing man. So listen, we can't go for the things that want to come back.
No man, we call remember me have your number youth. It's just that me not see you for this long while, but me call you.
You will show up me?
Yeah, cause me have some work for done, but here I'm giving some time to sort you out.
No, but I wait too long. In the meantime, I'm going to say I can go and do a little juggling still.
Yeah.
You understand? But show up me, I wait for your call, you know.
Me call you, man. Me call me.
You understand?
You are you, as me keep on saying.
Yeah.
Even the frame of a man, we get them in a woodwork shop.
Because
the man, them not learn on trade.
They not learn on trade.
But we are planning enough for you to start saying we can get some of you man, them call learn trade.
That good, but you still not talk my language, because I say when me can go for me sit them and come work. But you know, me go me call move.
No worry yourself, when ready me call man.
It's alright man. But you walk around there, so how far one? You walk around, you walk.
Everyone walk on man.
Oh, you look good though. Alright, but you know, me can move you know.
Yeah man, so here are you, me give you a shout.
Shout me man.
And if me not shout you, come back and shout me next 2 weeks.
2 weeks?
Yes.
Alright. So man, have you walk around there, so how you live?
You know say, them people only so getting for cut yard and they don't know where you live.
Oh. Alright, no sir, I'm moving now.
Yes, man.
Yeah,
So
man.
be good, boss.
You can walk round this and go so.
Yes,
round this
man.
my waka side and pass the
Yeah,
waka.
man. Yeah,
I
man.
touch the waka do, you know.
Well,
Because you don't know me as the man that thing, you know.
well, yeah. You know, see us that, you know, man.
Yeah.
Because a long time, I know
Yeah.
I don't see
That's
us.
true, man.
So.
I go go so and ground through that
Yeah.
and take it through the bush, chop it, go down on my skater.
Well, long as you know you can do it.
Yeah, man. So they come out there,
Yeah,
you know.
my boy. Take
Yeah,
care
man.
of yourself. Yeah.
Alright, man. Cool,
Yeah,
now.
man. Cool.
Alright, then, General. Pick up myself.
Glad to see you, my brethren.
That's me, man.
Remember to give me a check in every because remember me only when you young, so
Yes.
you call me. Me might not remember.
Right, alright. Me
Yeah.
call you, man.
Yeah, man.
But remember, you know, you call me, you call me, you know. I hear you shop, you know.
Yeah, but as me say, me might not remember, so you give me a call. Me need your help.
Alright, no, so that.
But
Now walk down and so. Me come so, but me I go so.
do you think?
And go to the chop, you hear?
Yeah, and be careful, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a waka you gone now, that me I tell you. Waka man. Until you say, see waka man here now. Nothing for you. Waka man. Waka. Where are you, brother?
Yeah, dude, me G.
You know, have a yard cut.
Over yard cut already, you know.
I saw one style, man.
I style thing. I do it all, you know, even in a place, you know.
What do you mean, something in a place? Me in a place, but I'm outside, waka man in a car. Is that right, man? Wait.
Oh, the move operated in the back of them.
A few of them.
I mean.
Tell you, man. Me see a drink out of them a while ago. Me see a drink out of them.
Yeah, man, I think them then, I mean, I take them out, man.
Brother, yo, you may say them, man, back to badness, man. Me see a drink out of them. Outside, waka man in a car, bro. Stop follow me.
Calm down, man, I'll go back to them, man.
Stop follow me, man. Yo, brother, you know, so stop follow man. Yo, stop follow.
Back to them, one to you know.
I mean, yo.
What, yo?
My youth.
I'm going to report to you, youth.
Report, yo, you know,
I'm going right, you know, if you see man back to them,
you drink out of them a while ago.
If you see me drink out, I'm back to them.
Brother, yo,
Man, back to them now, man.
Hold this.
Alright, go on your business, man. You want a man, both say do the back.
Both too fast. You don't want to call outside to come and come out. Yo, man, I like on you know.
Yeah. Problem bike, I'm a problem bike. Problem bike, I'm a problem bike. Problem bike. Yeah. Me love girls, me love from all over the world.
Right, guys, welcome again to the channel, Maggy Films. One Maggy Films and a two. You are going now. We're there, right? Down at Little London. What name again? Little London Methodist ECI. Yeah, man, a little basic school. And you know, from as a tender age, I always want to give back to my community. I don't know why. It's just a part of me. So this initiative is to help, you know, children on a whole. You know, to assist children on a whole, and also to assist persons that are less fortunate. Right? You know, you have a lot of less fortunate people in our society who want to assist them. So anybody at all out there, right, that want to reach out and help even Little London Methodist ECI, right, with some more items. This is all that we have. We thank the persons that has contributed towards them. Trust me, persons are here to help out Maggy Films with this initiative, and I really thank you very much. So we are here with the principal and the lovely teachers. So is there anything that you want to say?
So on behalf of the Little London Methodist ECI, would like to extend thank you to Maggy Films.
Maggy
Maggy
Films.
Film for the stationery
Right.
along with this school supplies.
Right.
School supplies and the sanitation.
Yeah man, yeah man. And you are welcome. You are most welcome. Trust me. This is just a start in another end, right? It's a small amount of items and we are coming back. We are coming back, right? And I'm sure that a lot of people out there are seeing what is taking place, and I'm sure a lot of people out there also want to assist.
Currently, we are constructing a new bathroom for the children.
Okay.
So we are asking for assistance in the company.
Alright. So you hear that? The little kids, they need a bathroom. Trust me. So if anyone out there can assist with that, trust me. We here at the Little London Methodist ECI would appreciate that. Trust me. So see what you can do. Reach out to Maggy Films and we'll reach out to the principal and get things done. Thank you guys. Right guys, so we are here at the Little London Methodist ECI, and as you can see, there's some construction going on around there with the bathroom for the little ones. Yeah man, they are well in need of a bathroom, trust me. So I'm here with the principal once more, Mrs. Mendes, and she's going to give you some information in that regard and how you can go about contacting her for those who want to assist.
Alright, so for those who want to assist in the completion of the bathroom, our contact number is 577-8583 or 237-6051, 543-0671.
There you have it guys. So we are going on a little tour. I want to go on down there, so yeah man, so come with us now.
Alright, so presently we are in the church hall with the classrooms because the original building for the classroom, it is under construction because the children needed bathroom. So the construction has just begun. We're just doing the foundation. The steels have been laid out. So we would really need assistance in getting it finished as soon as possible.
You want to go on now, you see? Alias Sky Sphere Eternal Records. Yeah man, see her right that's up. She's from the UK. She built some instrumental where if you want to calm down on yourself. You see if you feel stressed out, just play some instrumental them man. I tried the other day and I tell you why I drop asleep. Believe me. And they sound great. So you want to know. All of the content creators them, you can link her up as well. See? She's from the UK. Make sure. See? See her there. Big up on yourself.
Structural woodwork and joinery. You see, we make molding, crown molding, architecture you put around door, skirting board. All them like love the furniture what you see. Kitchen cupboard we specialize in and door. Any kind of door. and all them stuff. So, just basically it.
Yeah man, tell them where they can find it.
And with a Big Bridge Road, after you pass Sweet and Nice restaurant, right a little bit below it, Sweet and Nice, and your right coming from south, and me the right and the left before it. So you come and you get anything you want to do. Quick and nice. Satchwell Woodwork and Joinery.